Okay, no, this collection has 20 designs. I just need one. Oh no, this one has 50 designs. No, I just need one perfect design. Well, I'm just so frustrated. Let me check Anita Goodesign. What? Wait a minute. Anita Goodesign now has Sewing Singles where I can buy one perfect embroidery design. Ooh, that could be cute. I just am so excited because I was able to buy one design all by itself, and it comes in all of my machine formats I need. This is the best new thing to happen to Anita Goodesign. So excited.